This is probably the worst that it's ever been. Super, super annoying and disgusting and embarrassing. But it just makes me feel icky. You want to say hello? Hey. Hey guys, so welcome back. I wanted to show you guys how I make my smoothie in the morning. Well, one of my smoothies in the morning. And I'm going to be using this Bellway super fiber and fruit. So I'm just going to add some banana. Today I'm just going to do a banana. I'm going to add some milk. And I might add some oats to it. So this is the prebiotic fiber supplement right here. And so I'm going to use just a half scoop. I have shown this on my channel before, but it's time for me to do a clean out. So I'm just going to go ahead and make this smoothie so I can get started with my day. I hope you guys are doing well, happy and healthy. So let's go ahead and get this drink started. Alright guys, now let's see what it's tasting like. You can taste the fruit in there, the berries in there. This is my cup, and this is how much I have left. So guys, I'm gonna go ahead and enjoy my smoothie, and I will check back in with you guys soon. Hey girl, hey, good morning. How are you guys? All right guys, so today we got a lot of things that we need to do. I am getting ready to head out and run a couple errands. I was supposed to go to the laundromat probably like 2 months ago. I have a big comforter that can't fit in my washer and dryer here at the house. So there's a laundromat that's not too far away. It's a really nice one. And so I'm going to go there to get this comforter nicely washed and clean. I am on a mission to get my house together. I'm also going to try to see if I can take you guys along with me to go get my car washed. Oh my God, my car is a hot mess. This is probably the worst that it's ever been. Super, super annoying and disgusting and embarrassing. So I don't, have too many people in my car, but it just makes me feel icky. So I need to go ahead and try to get that done so I can take you guys with me to get that done. And then I need to get some coffee. I'm going to make me a sandwich before I leave. So that's something I'm just going to take with me. And there's a coffee shop not too far from the laundromat, actually right by the laundromat. So I'm going to go there and get me a nice hot white chocolate vanilla latte or something like that. Extra hot. Gotta have it extra hot because it's pretty nice and cool outside. It's kind of cold and it's rainy out there. So I want something that's gonna, help me to feel a little warm and cozy in the inside. So I'm gonna do that. And then I think we're gonna stop at Ulta. There's a fragrance that I've been looking for that was on my list for Christmas. So if they have that, then I'm gonna go ahead and get that. And so we'll see. So yeah, today is full of a lot of things that I need to take care of and get done. So I will pick you guys back up once I'm out and about, and we'll see what today brings. Bye! Ulta has Solo Doughlo there. I just got this for Christmas, guys. Wow, so they used to only sell this in Sephora. So now Ulta has it. So if you guys like this line, you can get it from Ulta. That's pretty cool. Alright, let's see what else they got. I think I'm probably just gonna look at perfume. But we'll see. And then they have pick number 40. Honestly, I didn't realize they had so many different ones. But this is one of my favorite scents right here. Number 62. It's like pistachio, salted caramel. Smells so good. They have Morphe's. Morphe has nice, I'm not sure. I'm gonna go look at the fragrances. Really Irish fragrance that a lot of people really like this. And Ariana Grande, she has a lot of scents that a lot of people like. One of them is supposed to be, she's the cloud. It's the dupe for the Baccarat scent. I actually brought this. And then I took it back because it just didn't smell that good on me. Dolce & Gabbana. Valentino. One of my favorite scents. It's the Dawn Up on Aroma. It's one of my favorites. It's right here. And I actually need to re-up on that. But I kind of want to try something else before I get another one. What is this one? So if I don't get anything today, and it's probably going to be this one right here. This is one that's on my list. This is the blush, the Carolina Herrera. Oh, Libre. Okay. I don't even see the Montpellier one. Oh, there it is. That's the one that I have right there. And I actually have read up on it. I've actually brought multiple bottles of that. That smells good. Yeah.
That is so neat. I don't know what kind of things you do on there. And I will, the person who I started watching on there, every day they have a video. And I'm just like, oh, good, they did another one. And I just go because it's every day. And it's interesting subject matter for me.
Yeah. So I do like cooking videos, but I'm venturing out to like vlogging. So when I go to stores and stuff, just vlogging my life, just kind of getting into that. Yeah,
that's awesome. Well, hey, I feel like I'm gonna be like famous YouTube.
What's your name?
My name's Molly.
Molly, she's so sweet, guys. And she got my perfume.
There it is. There.
Yes.
Oh yeah. It is so cute. Out of the box.
Yes. This was on my Christmas list, but I didn't get it, so I can treat myself.
Exactly. Sometimes that's what you gotta do.
Exactly.
Nope. But if you really ever need, we have it for you here.
It's on file. Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. You too. You want to say hello?
Hey.
I love it. Nice to meet you. We'll see you next time.
You guys,
take care. Alrighty. Thank you so much.